And we're going to be reading the Ankylosaurus.
So, we have all these facts about it, and I'm just going to read it. So, that's a picture of one. And then, Ankylosaurus was a huge armored dinosaur, measuring about 25 to 35 feet long, 6 feet wide, and 4 feet tall. It weighed roughly 3.3 to 4 tons. Its entire topside was heavily protected from carnivores with thick oval plates embedded in its leathery skin. 2 rows of spikes along his body, large horns that projected from the back of the head, and a club-like tail. It even had bony plates as protection for the eyes. Only its underbelly was unplated. Flipping it over was the only way to wound it. Ankylosaurus had 4 short legs. The rear legs were longer than the front legs. A short neck and a wide skull with a tiny brain. Ankylosaurus was the last of the ankylosaurids to evolve, and the biggest. It lived in the late Cretaceous period, about 70 to 65 million years ago. Ankylosaurus and all the other dinosaurs, except birds, perished in the Cretaceous territory extinction 65 million years ago. Among its contemporaries were the large meat-eating Tyrannosaurus, Tarborosaurus, and Dinosaurs. Short of being flipped over, the Ankylosaurus was well protected from these predators and could even defend itself with its club-like tail. This huge, extremely heavy reptile was a herbivore. It ate only plants. It had to eat a huge amount of low-lying plant material to sustain itself, so its gut must have been very large. That was a giant dinosaur. The next one is the amazing Triceratops.